Hello and welcome back to Sephia Spaces, where every home tells a story of design, comfort, and inspiration. Today, that create a peaceful, almost retreat-like atmosphere. This home beautifully blends rustic warmth with modern sophistication. From its contrasting black and white exterior to the rich textures of wood and stone, every element is thoughtfully curated to create a sense of balance and harmony. It's a home that feels both grounded and refined, where nature and architecture exist in perfect dialogue. As we walk through each space, you'll notice how the design prioritizes openness, light, and connection. So take a deep breath, slow down, and let's step into this beautiful home together here on Sephia Spaces. From the street, this home immediately captures attention with its striking modern farmhouse aesthetic. The bold contrast between the crisp white siding and the deep black vertical panels creates a dynamic visual identity that feels both timeless and contemporary. The symmetrical gable roofs add a sense of structure and tradition, while the clean lines and large windows introduce a modern edge. The home feels grounded yet elevated, like a perfect balance between classic charm and modern design. As we move closer, the driveway curves gently toward the house, creating a soft and welcoming approach. The smooth concrete surface is both practical and visually clean, complementing the modern aspects of the home. The double garage, framed with natural stone, adds texture and depth to the facade. The dark garage doors tie in seamlessly with the black accents of the house, reinforcing the cohesive design language. This space is not just functional, it's thoughtfully integrated into the overall aesthetic. The front yard is a perfect blend of natural landscaping and structured design. Instead of rigid symmetry, this space embraces a more organic layout, with plants and greenery arranged in a way that feels natural yet curated. A stone pathway leads toward the entrance, adding texture and warmth to the approach. The mix of shrubs, grasses, and flowering plants create layers of visual interest, making the space feel alive and inviting. The landscaping softens the architecture, bridging the gap between the built environment and nature. The porch is one of the most charming features of this home. Supported by warm wooden beams, it introduces a sense of rustic comfort that contrasts beautifully with the modern elements of the house. The natural wood tones add warmth and texture, making the entrance feel inviting and lived in. It's a space that encourages you to pause, perhaps to sit, relax, and take in the peaceful surroundings. Soft lighting enhances the atmosphere, especially during the evening, creating a cozy and intimate feeling. Stepping inside, the entryway welcomes you with a sense of openness and light. Large windows allow natural light to pour in, illuminating the space and highlighting the clean lines of the interior. The materials here feel warm yet refined, combining modern finishes with subtle natural textures. The design is minimal, allowing the architecture to speak for itself. There's a sense of calm and clarity, no clutter, no distractions, just a beautifully composed space that sets the tone for the rest of the home. It's an introduction that feels both elegant and comforting. The living room is the heart of the home, designed to feel open, airy, and connected. Large windows frame views of the surrounding trees, bringing nature into the space in a subtle yet powerful way. The high ceilings enhance the sense of volume, making the room feel expansive without losing its warmth. Furniture is arranged to encourage conversation and relaxation, with a focus on comfort and simplicity. Soft textures, neutral tones, and natural materials create a calming environment that feels both modern and timeless. The dining area flows seamlessly from the living room, maintaining the open concept layout that defines the home. It's a space designed for connection, where meals become moments to share and remember. A beautifully crafted dining table anchors the room, surrounded by seating that feels both elegant and comfortable. The design is understated, allowing the experience itself to take center stage. Natural light enhances the atmosphere, making the space feel bright and welcoming throughout the day. It's not just about dining, it's about gathering. The kitchen blends modern functionality with farmhouse warmth. Clean cabinetry and sleek surfaces are paired with natural textures, creating a balance between practicality and beauty. Everything is designed with intention, from the layout to the materials, ensuring that the space is both efficient and enjoyable to use. Subtle lighting and thoughtful details add depth, making the kitchen feel warm rather than purely utilitarian. It's a space that invites creativity, comfort, and everyday living. The pantry is a hidden gem within the home. Designed for organization and efficiency, it keeps the kitchen clutter-free while providing ample storage. Shelving is arranged with precision, making everything easily accessible. The simplicity of the design ensures that it remains functional without overwhelming the space. It's a quiet yet essential part of the home, proof that great design is often found in the details. The bedroom offers a peaceful retreat from the rest of the home. Soft tones, natural light, and minimal design create an environment that feels calm and restorative. Large windows provide views of the surrounding greenery, reinforcing the connection to nature. Every element is chosen with comfort in mind, creating a space that encourages rest and relaxation. The closet is designed with both functionality and elegance in mind. Clean lines and smart storage solutions make organization effortless. The space feels open and refined, transforming a daily routine into a pleasant experience. The bathroom offers a spa-like experience, combining modern finishes with calming textures. Soft lighting and high-quality materials create a sense of luxury and relaxation. It's a space designed to help you unwind and recharge. The home office is quiet, focused, and filled with natural light. It's designed to inspire productivity while maintaining a sense of calm. The simplicity of the design allows for clarity of thought and creativity. The library adds depth to the home. Shelves filled with books create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's a space for reflection, learning, and quiet moments. The patio extends the living space outdoors, offering a perfect place to relax and enjoy the natural surroundings. It's where indoor comfort meets outdoor freedom. The backyard feels like a private retreat, surrounded by nature and designed for both relaxation and gathering. It's peaceful, open, and deeply connected to the environment. As the sun sets, the backyard is bathed in warm, golden light. Shadows stretch gently across the landscape, and the home takes on a softer, more intimate character. It's a quiet, beautiful ending to the day. Thank you for joining us today on Sephia Spaces. This modern farmhouse is a perfect example of how design can create not just a house, but a feeling, a sense of calm, warmth, and belonging. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring homes. Until next time, stay inspired with Sephia Spaces.